Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add messaging effect on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the iMessage app on your iPhone and select the contact where you want to send the message to. Now go ahead and type in your message. Once you type in your message to add the messaging effect, highlight the message or part of the message where you want to add the messaging effect. So if you don't want to highlight all, just highlight part or all. Now you want to scroll through the left, then scroll through the navigation until you get to text effect. Then click on that. Then you should see all these text effect. Alternatively, you can also highlight the text you want to add text effect or message effect. Then click on this effect button at the top right of the keyboard. Then you should see the text effect pop. On the text effect, go ahead and select the text effect you want to use. And then select another one, since you can add multiple text effects to different text on the iMessage. And then go ahead and send it. Then you should see the text effect like this. And that's it. So that's exactly how to add messaging effect or text effect to messages on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.